isn't something that we're going to produce, have any plans to, but just wanted to bring it out and show some guys what we're capable of doing. Appears in all, it's thin in profile, looks like a flashlight. Walk your dog, take the garbage out, get the mail. If any problems occur, anything you need immediate action with, you can get on target and go with it. It's a folding machine gun. It's very transformer-esque. Folds back up, back into place, ready to go again. Pretty slick little setup. Uses standard Glock receiver upper. We just manufactured this just ourselves in the rapid prototype form, where it's got an upper receiver for the Glock. Also takes Glock magazines. And you fold this up and collapse it all the way down. You can open this back end up. You can see your loaded magazine in here. Also allows for an area in here to have an auto sear. So you can remove all this off of the rail. Hand guards, flashlight comes off, folds up into a little tight, compact package. Big enough to put in your back pocket. Fits right in there, you go for your walk. Gets nasty, get down to business. FMG 9.